Main reason for this video right now, and the reason that you're probably looking for it, is that you at one point or another have hit some point in your business where you've had $0 in your account. You've had the idea of giving up on your business. You've had that stress, that frustration, that I'm gonna quit mentality. And you know how I know that? Because I've had that too. So right now I just want to do a quick check-in with you. I want to see how you're doing. How's your business doing? Where are you at with it? Are you just starting out your online business, or are you even doing an online business in general? If you've started out, how's it going? Are you successful? Are you seeing sales? Are you creating more than one source of income? Or are you beyond that, where you're looking to have that passive income start coming into your pocket? Where are you at? Let me know down in the comments below. One thing I wanted to check up with is if you're just starting out here. Have you checked out the videos that I posted before? In those videos, I give you a whole bunch of different ways and show you how you can start your online business, some ways for free and some ways by using some online business tools. If you haven't checked that out yet, go give it a start. Even if you just have the thought about starting your own online business, take a look at it. See if that's something that is right for you. But the main reason I want you to take a look at these videos is because in there I talk about the main reasons that you start your online business. I go into detail about how you're not really chasing after the money at this point when you start your online business. Maybe at first you think it's a great idea and that's all you really want from it. But once you start getting into it, you need to realize, and you will if you haven't already, that this is a passion of yours, that this is something that is going to be your new career or your new side hustle or whatever you want it to be. And you have to ask yourself, write down the reasons. What is the point of you spending your time, all the free time you could have, watching TV, playing, video games, hanging out with your family, but instead you're spending time on building your online business? What's the reason why you're doing it? It definitely can't just be to get a couple extra dollars. It can't be. More than likely, for me at least, my reasons are so I can have more time to hang out with my family, so that I can have the opportunity to do what I want with my life and not have to worry about revolving it around work, revolving it around somebody else's schedule, and working more than that 9 to 5. Now again, if you don't know yet, my name is John. Right now I still, at the creation of this video, am still working in my 9 to 5 because it is another source of income that fills my pockets. You know what I mean? Why give out and stop earning income from one job at the moment when you're trying to keep on making your dreams happen? So for now, at the recording of this video, I'm a 26-year-old entrepreneur and sales tax consultant. Along with that, I have at least 4 other different side hustles that give me the potential to earn even more income online. And the main reason that I'm sharing all of these videos with you is because I'm an entrepreneur whose main business goal is to help others. Even with my 9 to 5 job as a sales tax consultant, I'm looking and reviewing all of these payments for people and trying to get their money back so that they can have that money, so that they're able to do what they need to do with it, to save them money, to save them time, to save them effort. And I wanted to bring that experience, that thought, that benefit, that passion I have for that side over to you, help with your online business. So I'm an entrepreneur who helps out other entrepreneurs by just walking them through what I'm doing myself. So if you haven't figured out what point you're at, if you're just starting out, if you're kind of in the middle of creating your online business, or if you've gone in to a point where you're at a successful online business and you're looking to start somewhere else, to start another source of income, what are your steps to achieve this goal? If you're just starting out, what are your steps to learn how you want to drive your passion and start an online business? What business tools do you need to look into? Figure out if you can automate your processes to save you time and allow you to focus on the really important aspects of running an online business. Manifest them, write them down, create a goal. And if it has to be in the comment section of this video, go ahead, write out your steps so that you have somewhere, at least somewhere, that you can go back and review. Oh, I've completed step 1, I've completed steps 2, let's move on to 3, 4, and 5 to continue reaching your goals, your ultimate goals, The main reasons why you started your online business in the first place. Even if you're just starting out, congratulations, you've taken the first step. You've had the thought, you've had the idea. You want to, in my mind, live a better life on your own terms. And for those of you who have already started your business or are on the way, look back at what you have achieved all of this time, what you've achieved already. Congratulations. Seriously, this is great. This is absolutely awesome for you. And, you know, sometimes you need that attaboy, that pat on the back. And I want to tell you that you are doing exactly what you need to be doing. Keep on going at it, because you know what? You've came this far already. Continue grinding. Continue getting to the point of where you skip from one reality to the next and achieve your goals. You know, don't just settle for that 9 to 5. Don't just settle for, I'm going to drive into work, come home, sit back, relax, maybe watch some TV, and then repeat the next process of that for 40, 45 years. We're not living as long as we used to. 77 is how old people are when they tend to die in America right now. That's the average death age. And if we're working 40 to 45 years, how much time do we actually get to experience freedom in our life? And you know what? We all get stuck there. For me, I have had cash flow issues before. I have had problems where I've been spending so many nights just trying to write down something for my blog, just trying to create new content for my videos, for my TikTok, for my Instagram, for my gaming channel. There have been times where I just want to give up. But the thing is, sometimes all you need to do is reach back into that motivation bag and have someone tell you that they can do it. So here you go. You can do it. And if you're stuck, where are you stuck on? What issues are you having in your online business that you just can't seem to get around? And comment that down below in the comments, because somebody might be able to help you out with that problem. They might have had that problem themselves, and they're more than happy to share that information with you on how they got past it, how they achieved their next steps. You know, you'll come across videos and people out there all of the time selling mastermind courses or saying, join my mastermind. And for some of these courses or for some of these programs, it's a great idea. Not if you can't financially afford it. Don't go broke. Don't go into debt trying to go to these master classes. If you have a friend who's a business owner themselves, talk to them. Talk to somebody you know who is in the same situation you are, and create your own mastermind together and work on solving your issues together and bouncing new ideas off of each other. It happens. It's okay to have new ideas, to have new innovation, and to ask questions. You don't have to, and you definitely won't ever know all the answers to everything. That's why there are certain experts in some places, others in other places. And that's why we, as business owners, hire those experts, because we pay them to know the knowledge. So create your own mastermind group. Create your area where you can talk to people and bounce different ideas off of one another, especially when you're having issues. Join some of the Facebook groups that are out there. It's okay to go into these. Just remember that sometimes there's a lot of information, so don't get an information overload. And without a doubt, 100%, before you take that next move, just do a little more research. Research what your next step is going to be. You know, it's kind of like when they first said, don't believe everything you hear on the internet. Well, now it's kind of flipped around where the internet is the go-to. You just have to know that on the internet, you need to make sure that what you read is true. What you're reading can get you to the next steps without running into other issues, without running into some crazy guy trying to hack your day. You know, you have to be careful. You have to be safe. You also have to be willing to look and spend just a little more time trying to find that answers when you get stuck. You know, sometimes people put in the hours now, put in the time now, that they can achieve their lifelong goals in way quicker time than the other people who are just working their 40-hour week for their 45 years at their 9 to 5. So just remember that you can do this. If I can do this out of all people who had changed their major 3 times in college, who have already been through 2 different jobs, who is still maintaining their one job just because it's another source of income for me. If I can do it, you can do it. And if you need help doing it, don't feel like you have to be afraid. Don't feel like you have this fear, this lack of or idea of, I should know this. I don't want to look stupid in front of other people. Don't let that get into your mindset, because you know what? You as an entrepreneur are in charge of your success. Your success is 100% mostly dependent on what your choices are, what you decide to do. So if you decide to be afraid, if you decide to give into that fear, where are you going to be? How are you going to answer the questions or get answers to the questions you don't know, especially when you're stuck? You can do this. Don't let the fear overcome you. I believe in you. You believe in you. Deep down, you do. You know what? The people who want to see you succeed believe in you as well. You can do this.